Hi friends. So today in this video we are going to explore some strategies. We are going to start a series where we will explore the best strategies. I would try to automate those by PickMyTrade. This video is divided into various parts, so do watch all the parts. This is part 1. My first strategy I come across with this strategy. Best trailing take profit strategy by Tradovate. So basically, if you would see there, this particular guy has done a fabulous job. We generally have a trailing stop loss, but he take a trailing take profit as well. And on that particular basis, he traded using the strategies, and this is open source, so you can apply them on chart. In the next part, we will be learning how this things works. This is part 2 of knowing about strategies we should follow to get good profits while trading. So we just tried to apply it on crude oil. So if I go with the settings, we have not so much settings. Here we have take profit trigger, whatever trigger value, you can play with this particular value which will be suitable for your symbol. And you could see for crude oil in the 1 hour chart, it is showing a kind of good results. Drawdown is this, and we are just trading on the one contract here. You could see we're trading on this particular drawdown and this much take profit. So like 400K profit we have generated. So the best thing is accuracy is 70% kind of good strategy and have risk about kind of 1.4. This is a kind of good strategy where we have profitable deal, profit factor is good. And even if we try to switch on different time frame, let's try with 30 minutes. Here also it is giving good results. Percentage profit is around same, profit factor is around same. Drawdown gets reduced and net profit get increased. So you can try it with different time frame. Just to automate this particular thing, what you have to do is just need to create a single alert. That's all. So you go there, you select this particular strategy, and for crude oil, you have created an alert. Let me copy paste this. So this is the format for strategies, and you just copy this. This is my token. Please do not use my token. You have to use your own token. You can get your token here. Just copy your token and paste it here. And when the trade would becomes, it will get placed on PickMyTrade. So best thing is Tradovate gives you 2 to 3 demos, so you just try different strategies, and this kind of strategies gives you good return, and you don't need to do lots of things. Just do the live trading, and if you find you get some profits or getting returns, you can run this as a side business. So I have created the alert. So like it's a 30-minute strategy, so we have to keep waiting. But for now, let's try to see whether that's getting repainted or not. So we will try to replay. So we can see like whether that's comes or not. So that is Friday 2nd of August, 0030. So let's try to replay before this particular bar because there we got the shot. So just try to replay. Okay, let's play. So here we get the signal. You can see even on the replay it gives the signal at the same time as we are thinking. So it is not repainting. Let's see whether a shot comes or not. So close of this was on 6 p.m. Friday, and let's see whether close comes correctly. So it is not repainting. And it is giving this type of valid returns, and we could definitely try with this particular strategy. Just copy paste this alert text, and that's all. So let's try with the NQ. How are the returns for the NQ? So even with the NQ, the returns are quite decent. Like percentage profit is good, drawdown is little higher than in case of crude oil. But return and profit is good. Let's try with the 1 hour frame. So in 1 hour frame is much better in comparison with 30 minutes. Drawdown is 30 similar to 15 minutes and net profit is also good. Percentage profit and profit factor also increased. Again, just to create the alert, go to alerts, put the text and create the alert, that's all. And also there and different parameters like fast length and different values. Let's see whether on any other symbol it give good results. So let's try on the wheat. Let you know that we are trading only on one contract always. So like in wheat, it is showing a kind of good returns more than 1 million. Here in wheat trading, using this particular strategies gives you quite decent returns. Percentage profitable is good, and you can try it. There are also other different futures like Soybean. Let's see how are the returns. Even with the Soybean, the returns are good. Profit factor is reduced, and here the drawdown is higher, but the returns are decent. So yeah, that all with this video which I want to cover. In the next video, we will cover the next strategy. Thanks for watching.